If you need to kick someone out of your Epic Games account, the fastest and safest way is to sign out of all active sessions at once. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step so you can regain control of your account and make sure no one else stays logged in. This is especially useful if you've shared your login before, used a public device, or just want to secure your account right away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're on the real site so you can safely manage your account. Once the page loads, click Sign In and log into the Epic Games account that you want to protect. Use your normal email and password and complete any verification steps if Epic asks you to. After you're signed in, look for your account settings. Usually, you can find this by clicking your profile name or account menu in the top right corner. From there, go to Account. This will take you to your account management area, where Epic keeps all of your security and login options. Now, on the account page, find the Password and Security section. This is the area where Epic lets you manage your login activity, password settings, and account protection options. Click on Password and Security and wait for the page to load fully. Once you're inside Password and Security, look for the option that says Sign Out of All Sessions. This is the key step. When you use this option, Epic Games will log your account out on all devices and browsers where it is currently signed in. That means if someone else has access to your account, they'll be kicked out immediately. Click Sign Out of All Sessions, then confirm the action if Epic asks you to. After that, the account will be signed out everywhere. If you're currently logged in on the device you're using, don't worry. You may still stay signed in on that browser for the moment, but all other sessions should be removed. In many cases, it's a good idea to refresh the page or sign back in yourself if needed. Now, if you're trying to make sure nobody gets back in, it's smart to go one step further. Change your password right after signing out of all sessions. That way, even if someone knows the old password, they won't be able to use it again. If you have two-factor authentication available, turn that on too for extra protection. It's also a good habit to review your connected email address and account recovery options. Make sure everything belongs to you and hasn't been changed by anyone else. If you notice anything suspicious, update it right away. So to recap, the process is simple. Go to the Epic Games website, sign in, open account, go to Password and Security, and click Sign Out of All Sessions. That will remove other logged-in devices and help secure your account fast. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.